Hi guys, and hi guys, and it's Holly Cat and my sister back here. And we can't do it.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, and today it's Holly Cat back here and with my sister, and we're gonna be opening this nail kit. And I hope you join along as well. Hi guys, and today we're going to be opening this nail kit with my sister. I can't do it. So there is a sunshine, a donut face, some nail polish, a ring, some pizza, and some nails. And there's some glittery stuff that you can put on, and some fake nails. Let's open it.
Can I help? I'm doing a video.
There we go.
This is a nail filer.
Like you're helping me, Holly.
Because you never asked me to help you. I'll get the donut dude out. So here are the fake nails, of course. So, can I paint your nails?
Yes.
Purple.
Yes.
Wait, what colour?
Purple.
Purple?
Purple.
Purple. Which hand? This hand?
This hand.
Chose purple because it's her new favourite colour.
What is it?
There, one hand is complete. It's the messiest. I never said I was good at it, okay? Like, I'll get them out for you. Because your nails are... Oh, they're sticky already, so you're just going to plop them on. These aren't going to fit on my nails. Now display. What? These aren't dry. Display your nails. Now it's my turn to do nails.
I can't get them off. Yeah, these are for my ears. I want to use that one, guys. Where's the other one?
Holly Cat. Holly Cat.
Yeah.
Can I have a pair of earrings?
Yes. You can.
Which ones? I want avocado ones. What ones did you get? Oh, you got love hearts. Cute.
Yeah, but they match my nails. I think I lost it in my hair. No. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no.
I can't get it out.
There. Here. Who wants to see me decorate my nails?
I'm painting them red.
I'm giving myself a fake nail.
Done.
You just destroyed my thumb.
I don't care.
Okay, so I think this is the end for this video.
Yeah.
My personal saying is, I do not recommend this kit, but it does work.
It's
These hurt these little things that I covered in
when
paint.
you take them off,
They really hurt.
Ow.
Bye guys. See you in the next video. Are you gonna say bye?
Bye. Bye.
What?
What is it?
I don't know.
No.